Hello guys, welcome again. This is TechLead review, and in this video we are going to see the CleanMyMac application. So the concept is, if you have a Mac, any Mac, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, MacBook iMac, and you have a problem of memory or of a poor CPU, so you can install CleanMyMac. I see it's a powerful application that can help you to optimize your Mac, and it can help you also to clean the cache, the file. It's a better way to install applications. So here, as you can see, this is the interface, and as a default here in this icon, it's a fast icon that shows you the memory, the storage, the processor, and also the temperature, the connection. And here, if we just open the application, we can find many other features, system junks, photo junks, mail attachments. All these features helps you to manipulate your Mac very easily. Here we can find the installer feature that can help you to install any application from here. I think it's a good application. If you like, you can buy it. Here I will put the link in the description. You can download the free version to try it, or you can buy it. I buy this version, and I think it's very powerful application, and that's it. I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching.